welcome back to Buy and Try. My name is Bethany Berger, and today we're trying this. So we do have this makeup kit, special edition, mind you. That's important. There are 2 things of nail polish, lip gloss, there's an eyeshadow palette, a sheet of jewels, and an applicator. So I'm excited. It is rated 8 and up, so I am allowed to use this. The eyeshadow palette. This is what I don't know. I don't know if I'm looking forward to it, if I'm nervous. I think lip gloss will be the easiest thing to do first. Once again, we have our rainbow. I wonder if it's gonna taste like anything or if it's gonna taste bad. It tastes like fruit. We'll save her. That's the best for last. So I'm interested in this. I'm intrigued. That's not bad. That's not bad color for just like one swipe over. That's not bad at all. Like that's actually pretty good. So the nail polish does go on really easily. And it's also thick. That's not bad. I wish real nail polish was like that sometimes. I want to put them on my hand first because I want to see how well this one shows up because this is going to be interesting. Light pink. Oh, see, that came up like lip gloss. I don't think that's how eyeshadow. Is that eyeshadow? That's eyeshadow, because that's the eyeshadow palette. And it's like holographic glitter, so it's like rainbow. So that's pretty nice. That's pretty neat coming out of the salon like this. Call me Miss Steal Your Girl and Man. Both of them. I'll take them. Overall, I think the nail polish is really amusing because it goes on. I can do like one swipe and it'll be done. And it peels off really nice, and that's good for children. And it's water-based. It's not gonna hurt them. I mean, it's better than powder, especially if you're giving it to kids though. Like, you don't wanna give kids powder. That makes sense. The box is nice. I am actually a fan of the box and how it goes like that. But everything does show up pretty well. I look fabulous, clearly. The lip gloss does scare me a little bit, but that's because it's lip gloss, I don't know. But it actually, like, this is gonna sound so weird. It tastes better than I thought it would. It felt better than I thought it would. I will probably give this one probably a 7 out of 10. It is a passing grade. It is a passing grade. I think that's my rating. This has been Buy and Try. I'm Bethany Berger. We'll see you again next week.